I'm pretty sure I said this before, but this damn interior is probably my favorite part of this car. I don't know, like, just cool, like, I don't know, like, this is nice. Regardless of that, welcome back to another video, guys. Today is a special day. We hit 20,000, and that's awesome. I know you guys want to hear about the giveaway and everything, so if you guys want to know more information about the giveaway, click right here, and that way you guys can actually check it out. For right now, let's go get this car washed, and let's go get it prepped for a photo shoot. We're gonna be linking up with one of my old coworkers, Josh, aka Clutch Media, and we're gonna be taking some pretty cool, he's gonna be taking some pretty cool pictures of the car. My car's finally gonna be getting some professional shots. That way I can show you guys how it looks from different angles from an amazing picture. So if you guys don't even know who Clutch Media is, check it out. I don't know if you guys seen that picture that went viral on the Dodge page and a couple of the other muscle car pages. Rv6 pulling the Demon. He's the one that took that picture. It's Clutch Media on Instagram. Josh, you do amazing pictures. I'm hoping to see if we can get some cool rollers and some cool pictures later on today. So guys, for right now, we gotta go get this car washed. And you know who I'm gonna hit up? I'm about to hit up the stepdad. Those Oxnard fields, brother. Nah, but for real, my clutch still is slipping every now and then. It's nothing major, like I said in my other video, but I am gonna be upgrading the clutches as soon as the giveaway is done, because I don't want to drop too much money at the same time, if that makes sense. Oh, big dog. Let's get it going. 20,000 subscribers. It's badass. Dude, I will say, I really like it when he washes my car, because it just he makes this car look just new. If you guys don't know, my stepdad has his own car washing business, and I do get the stepson treatment, so he hooks it up every single time. But if you guys are local and are in Ventura County, in the Oxnard, Ventura, or Camarillo area, you guys should hit him up. He does your car really good, and he does everything, and he's also mobile too, so he can go to you. So you guys should check him out. Boy, you know we had to come pick up big. I still need a rematch with that. You guys want me to do a rematch? I wonder how I'll do right now that I have more mods done to the car. But his supercharged FRS is right there, and he beat me last time all top end. I want to say about a year ago. Now I have a downpipe and an intercooler, so I'm wondering how that would actually be now. And I was only on map 2. Victor. Jesus Christ. That shit's loud. Dude, this is awesome. Holy shit. It's funny because like I mentioned before, we always go hiking way over there, but never stopped at the first spot right here. Look at that. Really?
But it's like years of mapping it out, like, you know, trial and error. Yeah.
I feel like this will definitely be a really cool spot to meet up and do like a cruise with you guys.
Yeah.
Because like if you guys look around right here, Really isn't anything here going on. But it does get pretty packed on the weekends. Dude, I am actually excited to see how it's gonna turn out. Juan,
Yo.
Thank you.
Wedding present, homie. For the ring.
For the ring. You like my ring, Papa?
Love it.
Oh, shit. So right now we're about to do some rollers. Josh is in Juan's Accord right now. And it's just funny seeing somebody sit in his back seat with like getting ready to just have his body hanging out the window and shit. So like this should be very fun. I'm very excited to see how the rollers come out, boys. Clutch media coming in clutch. My boy's literally hanging halfway out the window. Like, Hector, you got some competition, dude. This guy actually is hanging out the whole window. I just want to thank you to Juan for paying that for us and hooking me up with Josh. I was considering going with Josh for a long time, but I was waiting for one more piece to come in. But you know what? It's all good. We need to do something for Victor soon. This video is literally going to be dropping as soon as the 20,000 subscribers hit. Gotham the Pug, Instagram. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been following me since the 8th gen and just showing me support no matter what I've been doing. To everybody that's been out there with me since day one, thank you. And I hope I can meet all of you guys soon, one day. It should be good. I'm very excited to see where this takes me. I know I always said I wasn't going to be taking this as serious. Okay, get on the table. Now that I've been slowly putting more effort into it, I've realized that maybe someday we'll see how it goes. I'm still gonna be putting 110% in all my videos. I'm still gonna be dropping content on a regular basis. I'm still gonna be doing what I can to drop video content for you guys. That way we don't lose any of the content. We do have a new hatchback on the channel that I'm gonna be working on that. The SI is still gonna have a lot of stuff coming for it. My sister's Miata, we're gonna start working more on it as well. So we have plenty of content going. For the giveaway, I'm gonna be posting all the information on my Instagram. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, go ahead and shoot me a follow right over here. That way you guys can check it out. I will be posting some pretty cool pictures from Clutch Media, and I will be posting a lot of more information about the giveaway from there as well. If you guys do not have an Instagram, I am sorry, but that's the only way I'm going to be doing the giveaway. It's 2022, just make an account and delete it after it's done. It's very easy. We're gonna go ahead and go from there. This was a very, very chill video. I'm very grateful for everything that you guys have been doing and for everything that you guys have been showing, all the love and support. I get a good amount of DMs on Instagram, a couple of them on Snapchat, and they're always positive stuff. So I really appreciate everything you guys have been doing. And on my last video, thank you for all the love and support for you guys showing for my wife. She is doing good. She still gets her headaches every now and then, but it's not as bad as they used to be, like I said before. And I just want to say thank you. She's grateful. She didn't think that a lot of you guys would care about it and look out for it. So I'll keep you guys posted as much as time goes. So thank you for all that. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the small style vlog. If you guys like these kind of videos, I can definitely do way more of them. Because obviously you are limited to how many install videos you can do and car related stuff and whatnot. But keep an eye out on my Instagram because I will be posting some pictures from him very, very soon. And also give him a follow, give Clutch Media a follow because he does really, really awesome pictures, higher end cars and everything. So I'm pretty grateful that he took time out of his day to take pictures of my Civic. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you for everything. You guys have a good day. Peace.